So there are many coaches out there. These were our favorite 3. This is a beautiful coach.
Now again, if this were all lighter wood, I'd say let's buy it.
You know, would we pick Newmar over whatever? It doesn't matter. We're just kind of talking about in general. There's so much about this coach that we love.
You have these designers doing things that nobody else is really doing.
Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RV, and we're at the 2022 Tampa RV show, and we are going to bring to you our favorite, or 3 of our favorite diesel pushers of the show. Now, this does not mean that we were buying these coaches or we wouldn't buy these coaches, or one is better than the other. What we're focused on is what has been unique in these coaches.
We're not going to rank 1 to 3. They're all awesome, and I think one of them is really going to surprise you because it's not something we talk about a lot.
Okay, so the first one, again, no particular order, and this is our favorite production coach. It's going to be the Newmar.
Yeah, no surprise here.
Newmar Dutch Star 4369. This coach has everything that we would want in a diesel. 43 feet in length, Newmar's hung walls, the construction that they're known for, the BASF finish, 15,000 pound towing capacity.
Large bay.
Large storage bays.
Cargo, yeah.
Yeah, front independent suspension, the comfort steer, comfort drive. We like it all.
Holding tanks are great.
Everything. But what's really this particular one here at the show, we want to show you inside how nice this is. But before we move any further, who hates their RV mattress?
We did.
Yeah, and we teamed up about a year ago with Brooklyn Bedding. They sent us their Wonderlust mattress, and it's been outstanding. Now, Brooklyn Bedding offers a variety of RV-specific mattresses, whether that's with coils, foam, a combination of both. They have it, and they offer a variety of different thicknesses. MJ's personal favorite is the 8-inch.
I do. I love our 8-inch mattress. Now, you can pick these up at RVmattress.com. They offer free shipping on all U.S. orders. They have a 120-night sleep trial, so you can try it out for 120 nights. If you don't like it, ship it back for free. And they also have a 10-year warranty.
Plus, their products are made right here in the USA.
Woo-hoo.
But it gets even better. If you go to rvmattress.com/endless, you get an additional 20% off of your mattress on us, right? Mm-hmm. Pretty awesome. So if you're looking for an RV mattress, look no further. Brooklyn Bedding, rvmattress.com/endless.
And we're filming this early, hence the coat.
Yeah.
What we like, again, we have a Newmar, but what we love about Newmar is just so much the quality woodwork that you're getting, the attention to detail, like all of these little things here, right? The lighting back there. It's all those little minute things that just make this beautiful. One of my favorite parts of this coach is the large bathroom, the huge master bath in the back. It's wide. You have everything, so this is exactly what we'd want,
yep.
Right? The couch, the opposing recliners, or theater seats. You have this large kitchen area with the pull-out. You have so much counter space. There's no a want for space in here. The Euro booth, just beautiful, nice appliances. I mean, they're not super high-end, but they're large appliances. You have your half bath, large bedroom, going into an even larger master bath. There's just so much to offer on this.
It is the perfect floor plan. Hence, this is the best-selling Newmar diesel. Yeah. Like hands down, the 4369, why it's so popular, this always makes our list. Now everybody wants to know what is the price. There is no show price. North Trail does not do that.
Right.
You will talk to them and negotiate your price. But what is the MSRP for this particular unit?
So this model, with all the options the way it is $541,666.
So our next coach, and this kind of always makes our list too. MJ loves this coach. I love it also. Which one is it?
It's the Integra Anthem 44F.
Absolutely beautiful coach. We love Integra coach. Couple of reasons. Let's just talk about the outside a little bit.
What is my favorite thing about the Integra exterior?
The paint job.
The paint.
Yeah, the paint job.
I love Integra's paint.
Yeah, so we've been to the factory out in Indiana. They actually don't do the paint in-house. They send it out, which is not a bad thing because they send it to a place that just paints.
Yeah.
But they use the Sikkens paint, and Sikkens paint never really fully cures. It's expandable, so it will expand and contract with the fiberglass, thus hopefully cutting down the chance of any kind of cracking or checking or anything like that.
Anything like that, yeah.
You get everything you need on this coach, and it's competitively priced. So here's some of the specs. 44-foot coach, you can see the gross vehicle weight rating, 20,000 pound front and rear axles, 4411. You could see the tank capacity. Also, you have huge 365 tires up front, and they just kind of do everything right. Let's just do a quick walkthrough. Slide toppers, Gerard awning.
Frameless windows.
Frameless windows.
Huge exterior TV.
Here, look at the bay doors here. Now, you have to step up really high in the Newmar series to get these kind of bay doors where it's just touch. And you can see that's where the tank is. I'll show you one with outdoor, with the storage. But you don't have to hold it like on the Newmar, right? You don't have to just push it in. These you can just close as such.
There you go.
Let me show you this one here. There's your huge storage. And then look to the right, you're also gonna have your slide outs. You can add slide outs to this. Now, some people might ask about the construction. Very similar to the Newmar. Hung walls.
Yeah, it is very similar.
16-inch on center.
And you can see the 16-inch on center.
You can see that. You'll see the Integras and the Newmars. You can see like
in the morning
studs.
with the right. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but
And they also, like the Newmar and the American Coach, they have the flush slides that will go right into the body. You don't have that big molding, so you get a really clean look.
and you get the paint on the sides of the slides, of course.
450 horsepower Cummins motor. I believe it's 1,250 pounds of torque. This will be, I believe, 15,000 pound tow capacity. All the Integras come on Spartan chassis.
Did we also mention that we love the front cap and the rear cap of Integras are awesome on the highway? Right here on the highway, you see that we can pick out an Integra.
Oh yeah.
Far down the road.
Side mounted radiator, passive tag axle. Now what you don't get on here is that patented comfort drive, but although I think Integra has like their own version of it now, which is kind of the same thing. It's just like a rebranded one. So we're kind of finished up on the outside. Let's look on the inside. MJ absolutely loves this floor plan.
I do. I love the floor plan, although this model that they have here at the show has dark wood, which if you watch us, you know that I don't like the dark colors, but we're looking at the floor plan here.
And I love how they finish out, you know, with the Integra coach, right? As soon as you get in.
I love that. You know what would be even nicer if that like lit up, which it actually
I think there's a mod you can do that.
no. Yeah, okay, anyway.
It
It's
is a
roomy.
beautiful coach.
Now again, if this were all lighter wood, I'd say let's buy it.
Let me just close
I'm
the door.
good.
Let's buy it.
There's so much space in here. You have a huge couch with the TV right behind you on a televator, theater seats. Then this is kind of opposite, I think, of how the Dutch Star, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's opposite.
We would
of the
want
Dutch
this
Star.
because you have your campsite where you're eating.
Right. Huge dinette, and again, you can option out different types of dinettes. This does have the carpet in it, you know, so.
So one thing Integra does not do, they do not do the full wall slides. When we went to the factory, they were just against it. They said it's problematic. I put in the comments below if you have problems with it. So they do, this is a quad slide. Also, what we like about Integra, they do all the woodwork like in-house. The doors are solid doors.
Yes.
So it's a really nice coach.
They're beefy. The size of the kitchen is huge. You have your dishwasher there. Again, so it's beautiful. I still think of all the three that we have chosen in this video, I think Newmar takes the cake on the ceilings and the woodwork. I really do love Newmar's.
I know you hate this, but I like the heavy contrast in here.
The light dark. I know you do.
I like that.
I don't prefer that. Love the big windows on your campsite. It's beautiful. Then these huge like screens where you're powering everything. You've got your half bath there, which is a nice size for a half bath.
So this is a very close competitor to the 4369.
Yes,
I mean, the floor plan is very similar.
Very similar.
Everything
huge
seems
bath,
to be flipped.
Huge bedroom. Right. It's just backwards from that. So it's really nice. Two huge wardrobes. I do wish that what they don't have here in these is it's just shelving. They don't have places to hang. But
it's going to be in the rear.
I'm going to show you what makes up for that. So yeah, this is gorgeous bedroom, and then you have a large bathroom. I do like the 4369's shower and master bath better.
See, I'll disagree with you.
Okay.
I like this squared off because you're getting a lot more space in here. This feels very big.
You're getting more space in here, yeah, definitely. But the Dutch Star has more space in the shower. It's like a rectangular shower. So yeah. So, you know,
look at the pooping position, how much space you have there.
Yeah, that is good. There's no egress door.
No egress door, yeah. I don't think Integra Coach does that.
Yeah, so that's something different. You got huge area here. You got your double sinks with a lot of storage space. So here, you don't have the hanging space in there, but look at the size of this closet. Oh my gosh.
That is a true walk-in closet.
It is a true walk-in. You got your laundry back here. So this is huge.
So now you're getting about over a foot more in this coach versus the Dutch Star.
Yes, you are. and they use it well.
So what is the MSRP on this coach? Let's look, see if they have it here. If not, they definitely have it outside.
Yeah, they don't have the build sheet in here.
Before we go outside, I just want to quickly show you the cockpit here. And right now the heat pump is on, just so everybody knows the heat pumps are on.
Yes, it is chilly.
And there's your front television. So let's go outside and see what the price is on this coach. So what is the MSRP and the show price?
So the MSRP is $641,565. The show price is $545,995 plus up to 260 nights of free camping.
That's a lot of marketing.
So there's all the little
that's only on no blackout dates and blah 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 blah. don't buy it because of that.
So our final of the top 3 diesel pushers that we love here at the Tampa RV Show is, believe it or not, it's the American Eagle 45E from American Coach. This is a phenomenal design. You know, would we pick Newmar over whatever? It doesn't matter. We're just kind of talking about in general. There's so much about this coach that we love.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to show you the interior, which in our opinion, like, Rev Group is way ahead in the production coach. Yeah. Whoever they've hired for their design, it's outstanding. I just want to touch on a couple things outside. Now, this is their flagship coach. It's going to have the big 605 Cummins, 20,000 pounds of towing, everything you expect in a flagship coach.
And as you're talking, I'm actually just going to show all of these features. I mean, it comes standard, obviously, with the TPMS, your blind spot detection, the V-Ride air suspension. All of these things are so much you're getting with this. Another thing with the paint job, of course, an outstanding paint job. You can't really see it now because the lights are on inside, but they do, like, over the windows, they kind of have that vinyl to match the paint going throughout. Big 43-inch television behind here. You can see the slides are painted. Also, these recess into the wall, so it's going to give it that nice clean look. Something I want to show you out here that's pretty cool. This is coming with 800 amp hours of lithium, which is an awesome thing. You see the whole house disconnect. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. All really cool features. Let's go to the back really quick. This is going to have the V-Ride because you are on the Freightliner custom chassis. There's your 20,000 pound hitch. Look at the beautiful cap. Also, something at this price level, you're going to have the side-mounted radiator. But what really makes this coach special is what's on the inside. So let's go inside. This has to be, I love the Dutch Star 4369, but this is cutting edge. And again, you have these designers doing things that nobody else is really doing. First of all, you got all this storage in the cockpit area. Look at that, tons. Then you move into, this feels like a home. They make their RVs feel like home, I think, more than other manufacturers are really doing at this point. Let me just show the cockpit really quick. Yeah. It's all digital and it's nicely finished out. And you could see the seats, super high quality. And again, this is their flagship coach, but this feels like a home inside. It really does. So you have the opposing, you have the couch with the theater seats. The colors are gorgeous. I do like the Newmar ceilings better, I will say that. But then this is what they're doing, right? They're doing this kitchen island that you see in fifth wheels, and they're just mastering it on these Class A's, which is just beautiful with a huge, look at that sink. It looks like you could bathe a baby in there. Yeah. It's amazing. Now, I know a question somebody's going to ask, and you were actually, we did a full video on this, and you weren't on board, so I want to answer this question if you want to flip it. People are going to ask, how does this function when the slides are closed? And I asked one of the managers from Rev Group, so this slide will close all the way, won't have access, but they're pretty genius how they did this. So you can see here how this is curved, the table, and you see the cutout. So when you turn the seats, they're actually made to fit inside. And what he told me is that when this slide is closed, you have about this much width so you can get to move around. Yeah. So that's going to kind of answer your question, because that's definitely going to be an important question people are going to have. Right. And in Fleetwood, what also they're doing with they have the, I think one of the models we did, one of the discoveries, where they have this desk area which comes out and turns into a dining table in some of their models. It's phenomenal. Look at this look at this fridge. Got like that smart Samsung. What's cool is you have your induction cooktop in the island right here. Which and I think there's a wine chiller here also. Yes, right over here. Yeah. But then here you go, guys. Like this is so exciting. But this is what it feels like a home. Look at this. They separate the rooms. I mean, it's very clear. It is so cool. So you have your split bath here. Get on this side. Yeah. And again, we've done a full tour of this. I'm not sure if this will be out before or after this video, but it will be out. Yeah. You got your half with an egress door. Yes. So you have that bathroom, and then you get your full master bath. Again, you got the articulating bed, so you have huge amounts of space. 2 enormous wardrobes in here, right, with a ton of storage underneath.
There is storage behind here also, I believe.
Right, and then you walk into this enormous master bath, right? Look at that.
And I like they separate the toilet, so if you're gonna, you know, do your business, you can exhaust it out and nobody has to.
Exactly, and then you have your laundry in here. Now, I love the layout of this coach. I like the quality and the little intricacies, I think, of the Newmar better, but this is a phenomenal layout.
That's just showing the shower.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
All tiled out, and now look at the drain. Can you see a drain in here?
Nope.
Look at the drain.
Yep, there's right there.
So a lot of intricate details. I just want you to see, like, just a door, right? Look at the sliding door. They put the diamond stitch. This is stuff you kind of see on really higher-end coaches. But again, when we talked to the, it was Doug from Rev Group, he told us they hire home interior decorators to go to home interior decorating shows, and then that translates into their coaches.
And it's working.
Yeah, even look
really
at the mirror, how you have like some, I don't know if you can see it on there, but there's some antiquing on the mirror. The paper, the wallpaper is different. It's a really, really nice coach.
And again, you're moving in and weaving in and out of the different rooms. And oh, here, nice pantry. Again, this will all be covered in detail in the full tour that we'll have.
So everybody's gonna want to know the price. Let's step outside and talk about the price. So they actually do advertise the show price here. The MSRP is how much?
Yeah, it's right here. So you got your MSRP is $940,551 actually with the options on here. You're looking at $960,825. As people like to say, I'll take 2.
So what is the show price on this unit?
It is $679,995. It's a steal.
So there are many coaches out there. These were our favorite 3. We should really say production. We didn't get into like the super you know, custom. That's a whole nother level. And we told you why we liked them. In the comments below, let us know, what do you think about these coaches? What are some of your favorite production Class A diesel pushers?
Yeah, and of the 3 that we gave, what is your favorite and why?
And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.